Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Is there anything that you've experienced in your past that's currently influencing how you live your life? How often do you talk to others about things that happened in your past? Do you let your past dictate how you live your life or how you think your future will be? Did you know that you have the power to change your past? Your past no longer exists. It's over, but you are able to live in the present and can envision your future. What you make of your present and your future is all how you think about it. Let's dive in. When you're thinking about your past, you're not reliving your past, you're simply thinking about it. Your past is over. Everything in your past has already happened. You can't change your past, but you do have the power to change how you think about your past. Whatever you're thinking in this moment is what is impacting you in this present moment. The story that you tell yourself about your past is what's creating your current life. I want you to think about something that happened in your past and how you would tell the story about it. Now, if I asked someone else about that same situation, I'd likely hear another story, someone else's perspective. They may be similar or they may be totally different stories. You have thoughts about this past situation, and they also have thoughts about the same situation. For example, let's say that you were in a baking contest. You all know that I love to bake. If you won first place in this baking contest, you'd probably have some pretty good thoughts about it. Now, let's take a look at what the second placed winner might be thinking. Their story may not be as exciting as yours. It's still the same baking contest with the same outcomes, but do you see how everyone will have a different story about it? They would all have different thoughts about what happened. You could easily pick out the facts. You could all agree on who took first place and who took second place, but each story around it would be different. It's the thoughts that you have about what happened in the past that are influencing you in this present moment. How are you letting what happened in the past impact you or your life right now? If you would have taken second place, would you think that you're not good enough? Or would you think that you're almost the best baker in the contest? You get to choose. The past is over, the contest is over, and you get to choose how you want this past event to influence your present and your future life. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.